Welcome everyone to HueFin. Today is November the 11th, 2019, where we're here to give you all the news according to the charts, and we trade different. We don't place any of those nagging indicators on our price charts only to determine where price is going to go. I mean, this simply causes more confusion than it ought to be. So we definitely want to appreciate you all for coming to our channel today. If this is your first time come to our channel, you appreciate the content and how easy it is to understand and see what we're talking about regards to price action. Well, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification as well, and then follow us on our Twitter page, our Facebook page, and then on our website if you want to get more information about the other cryptocurrency stocks that we cover in regards to price forecasts. Now, today we're going to give you all an update on XRP. It is post Swell Conference, and we want to see precisely what the market has done in regards to that conference. Was it a positive conference? Was it a negative one? And you can determine that by looking at the price movement of XRP. Then we found this article right here about 4 days ago talking about, could a dump come in the market for XRP of about 50%? We're going to look at the price chart to determine if that is a true factor and can it really happen. So let's get started. This article starts off with, could a post-swell Ripple dump cause XRP to drop another 50%? There is one analyst who on Twitter did a tweet talking about why there was so much optimism into the space for XRP when he was seeing on the price chart negativity. All right. Now, back in 2017, this is when Ripple first began its annual Swell Conference. It had big individuals to come and speak at that conference like Bill Clinton, former Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke, and Sir Tim Berners-Lee, who is regarded as the inventor of the internet. All right. So about 2 years, the market has endured Swell Conferences, and about every year, many people expect to see a pre-pump move going into the conference and then a dump following the conference, kind of like sell the news type event. Now, every year, even this year, Ripple has fallen to a new low of about 24 cents. And as the Swell Conference came closer, it rebounded and traded around 30 cents, right? Now, investors may be preparing to sell the news and dump any XRP bought in anticipation of a more significant pump. See, they was expecting the market to get some positivity, some news come out the conference to where the market can move higher, and then simply they will dump their XRP into the market as well. And if the dump gets severe enough, according to one crypto analyst, it could push XRP well below the current area of support, resulting in another 50% drop from where it's trading at, which was around 30 cents. Now, this is the tweet. This is the analyst right here. Genuinely, he do not understand why everyone was bullish on XRP. The diagonal resistance didn't break 600 days. This is the 600-day line right here on his chart of XRP, unable to break that to the upside. There's a huge 50% gap to the next area of support, which is down here, and then rejected from previous support is now acting as resistance. Consider this the Swell dump. It's Ripple comment. This is what is expected from this Twitter handle Teddy. Now, can XRP price, is it at risk of a 50% drop following the Swell Conference? Now, Swell has already gone and passed, and once you look at the price chart, we haven't looked at it recently, it has fallen. It has failed to gain momentum and even break above that 600-day diagonal resistance that we just talked about. That puts XRP at risk of continuational falling to the next support level. Now, as the Twitter handler just pointed out, there's a gap that lies below the current support, and if it falls, XRP could go from 3,100 sats to around 1,400, which is the next level of support, all the way back since 2017. Now, all the way back in 2017, that was the last ever support before XRP skyrocketed to the previous all-time high. So maybe it has to hit that support area once again in order to make another push to all-time highs. Now, this particular article giving you one set of numbers in Satoshis and then it gives you the next one in dollars. I just don't understand why they would do something like that. Give us the whole article in one specific unit. If you're going to say Satoshis, then have your whole article speak on Satoshis. Don't switch between Satoshis and dollars because it confuses the reader regarding as to what you're talking about. So XRP is currently down over 90% from its all-time high of $3.82, which is huge. And to return to that number again, XRP will have to trade or gain 1100% from where it's trading. 90% XRP is down from its all-time high. Now we need to go ahead and talk about our price forecast in the market for XRP. Let's go ahead and stop this and let's bring it up to where we are today. I told you that the last time we did our video for XRP was on November the 7th, 2019. And you all can see that expectation into the market in XRP was for it to move lower. That was our forecast the whole time, to see the market in XRP move lower. And as you can tell, it has played precisely according to our forecast. As a matter of fact, you couldn't get out the market in XRP right here at our price target 3.54%, or if you held on a little while longer and you're here in the market today, you could have gotten out right now at 5.28%. So there you are, fully transparent, understanding precisely what the market is telling us. We got that correct. So let's get rid of it. And now let's talk about the market on the weekly time frame in XRP. So last week was negative. I'm not going to deny that fact. For us to try to break above 30 cents and it wasn't successful is a huge hit in the market for XRP. I mean, you can see right around this particular area that the market in XRP could not break above our resistance area of 30 cents. That tells you that all of this action that came over the last 4 weeks has came to naught. The market wasn't ready to break above 30 cents. So now the expectation is continuation of weakness, overall consolidation right here. Okay, this is what we're looking at. The market in XRP is not poised to consider a breakout yet, but I expect that process to continue until it's ready to break outside of that range. Okay. So yes, we are seeing the market in XRP getting hindered with some weakness. For our chart, you all can tell right here that the market tried to continue its movement higher and it still came and fell down to lower prices. So what do you expect the market to do? Literally hold some consolidational trading. Three-hour chart. Again, the market is not giving us a lot of indication of strength. I mean, we came and found the bottom at 27 cents for the moment, which was a pretty good indication of some support coming in here on the 23rd of October. Currently, XRP is just a sideways trading cryptocurrency at the moment. I don't see any indication of bias movement coming in, and I'm going to continue to expect the market in XRP to move to the downside until we break back above 28 cents. Okay, that area is literally a hardcore resistance point in the market, and it's going to require, as usual, a lot of volume in order to break back above 28 cents. Now we're close to it now, but if we don't get that volume to pull through, the expectation will not play out of higher prices. Okay, so right now I'm not going to put in a price target nor forecast. I'm just going to let the market in XRP play out until we get a direction of movement being seen on the price chart. So tell us, what do you think? XRP, 50% drop? Let us know with a comment in the comment section of this video. And as always, make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all on the next one.